Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 21. The learning outcome that you would get from this video is how to use loft boss base feature. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start. So here we see there are 4 things, one rectangle, then one circle, then one square, and then again one circle. So we would sketch them on different planes, starting with the rectangle. Okay, exit. Then go on to plane and give it a distance of 175 mm. Okay, and then sketch. Now we have to sketch a circle of diameter 145. Okay, vertical, horizontal. Okay, then exit the sketch again. Then again take a reference plane from this plane and give distance 100 mm like here. You can see this. Okay, 175, and then make 100 more, which is okay. Now sketch on this plane. Okay, make it vertical. Make it horizontal. Okay, exit the sketch. Then again go on to reference plane. From this plane take a distance of 100 mm again, and okay. Now sketch on this plane, then a circle of diameter 40. Okay, exit sketch. Now go on to loft boss base command. In the profile area, click on this profile, then click here, then click on this square profile, and then on this profile, and press on OK. Hide the planes. So here our model 21 is complete. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch, and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I would see you guys in the next one.